Tada! Our menu for today is escabeche. Tada! Escabeche with pure tomato. Let's do this. Yeehaw! Araya, it's too heavy. Okay. Yeah. This is it. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I don't know what kind of fish is this. It looks like a tilapia, but it's not. I don't know. Asawa na lang kulang talaga. Joke lang. Lord, bigyan mo na ako ng asawa. Pwede, marunong na ako magluto. Basta hindi juicy yung kumakain kahit ano.